can begin. All right. So guys, ensure say you have your pen and so forth, so you can do it. All right. I think I should make it a little bit bigger. Question 1. A website had 4.2 million hits. What is the number in figures? What is 4.2? Well, guys, not sure why that means. Yeah, what is 4.2 in figures? Which of these would be the answer?
D as in dog, sir.
D, right? So you know millions is 7 digits, and 0.2 will be 200,000. So 4,200,000. So that would be. I'm not seeing my.
Evening, sir.
Evening, Tara. How are you?
I'm
Right.
okay, and you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm just happy for life, happy for everything. You know. Yeah, I am. I'm sick, but we have to do what we have to do, don't it? All right. What is 640.25 in words?
B.
B as in bat, right? That is correct. So 640. $40.25. Remember, number theory is a part of the thing, so they can give you in numbers and ask you to do it in figures, or they can give you in figures and ask you to do it in numbers. So you guys just ensure we are prepared for everything, alright? Number 3 says, in which of these numbers does 4 have a value of 4 hundredths?
A as in apple.
Very good. That is correct, right?
Sir, A.
Yeah, that's correct. So we have tens, hundreds, thousand. Alright, so it's a 4. This is the only number, right? This is 4 ones, this is 400, this is 4,000. So it would be A. That is correct. Alright. 4 says a cow produces 40 pints of milk a day. How many gallons is in this? And they give you the conversion rate. 8 pints is equal to 1 gallon.
A as in apple. A as in apple.
Yeah. We divide 40 by 8, and that will give us our answer, which is 5. Because in every 1 gallon, you're gonna get 8 points. Or every 8 points, you get that, right? So it takes 8 times 5 to give you 40. So that is correct. A bottle, a small bottle, hold 50 milliliter of hand gel. How many of these bottles can be filled from a 5-liter container?
C.
Sir, C.
C. Sir,
Right?
C.
It's gonna
100.
be 5,000 as a convert from liter to milliliter, and then we divide by 50. So that will give us, yeah, 5 into 100 into 500, 100.
Definitely
100,
C.
sir.
Yeah. A shopkeeper puts 3 items in a box to post to a customer. It weighs 1.7 kilograms, 750 grams, and 98 grams. What is the total weight of the 3 items? So work it out and then what again?
B as in boy.
Sir, B.
Oh, you get it.
Sir, I add everything.
Alright, so 1.7 kilogram, how many grams is that? Kilogram, how many kilogram? 1.7 kilogram in grams.
1,400.
1.700.
Yeah, can you multiply by 1,000, add the 750 and the 98. And that gives us 34.5. Alright, what about 6 now? A length of rope. Hold on. A length of rope measures 40 inches. This is approximately how many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
100.
100, sir.
Yeah, we just 1 inch equal 2.5 centimeters. So it'll be 2.54, but we just can say use 2.5. So times 40 by 2.5, and that will give us our answer. We're gonna do stage 3 next day also. All right, so an employee was born in October 2003. How old will the employee be in August 2022?
Sir, can I attempt that question, please?
Go ahead. Anyone can.
B as in boy.
So, sir, it says that an employee is born in 2003. So, sir, right away, it wouldn't click in my head that it would be a certain age. So I would have to look at it now and be like, so since he was born in 2003, and it says how old it would be in August 2022. So, sir, my cousin is born in 2006 and is currently 16. So I would think, so the first reaction I would get is that he wouldn't be 17 until December. So this is what I was look at it now, because I could have easily just said he's 19 years old, but I have to remember that it's not October as yet.
Yeah.
So then I have to look down, and then I would realize that it says 18 years and 2 months, but it wouldn't reach there. So it would probably be, the closest it would probably be, sir, is 18 years and 10 months.
Yes,
Even
sir.
Sir, I agree, sir.
Sir, I
Sir, I agree.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I agree.
Yeah, because you take the 2 months, off, right? Because in October you would have 2 more months to go before, but then you couldn't reach October as I said, so it would have been short of 2. So it would have been B. All right, let's look at this one. This one is kind of not on a syllabus. Oh, that's something that follows something, guys. Rub it off. Let us block out the right thing. All right, it said the temperature in the freezer should be below 0, right? But it wouldn't reach 100, so it should be about 80. That's not part of your thing.
18.
Yeah, that's not part of your thing though. But
Yes,
most
sir,
of the
because
questions are. Let's look at 10. Block out that one, guys.
Yes, mommy.
What is 93,263? Oh, somebody something repeating.
Somebody count.
Oh, somebody something repeating.
Somebody count.
Yeah, probably that person would have to put in a headset. I'm not sure. As it's gonna be echoing, right? All right, what is 93,263 minus 38,297? What's the answer for that? have to remove that first. Joshua, I think it's you. Or Amelia. Alright. It's gonna be confusing. So when you're ready to talk, just unmute, alright?
Sir, is the number for number 10A?
You got A?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody work it out. Work it out for number 10, guys. What is the difference between 93,263 and 38,297? And see what you guys get.
Sir, it's
Well, you got the same thing, right?
yes, sir.
Alright, let's work it out. These should be simple for you guys.
Sir, for
Really?
for the one that is takeaway, I got A.
Alright.
Sir, for the one for number 10, I got 8 as well.
Awesome. Alright, let's work it out together. I'm expecting you guys to run through.
Sir, for number 10, I got A.
Alright. Thanks. Alright, so you have 297, right? So 7 from 3 we can't, so we borrow 1, that leaves 5. 7 from 13 leaves 6. 9 from 5 we can't again, so we have to borrow, keep borrowing, guys. And then this will give us 9 from 15, 6. 2 from 1 you can't, so we have to borrow again. P you're borrowing, you know, guys. Alright, and 2 from that leave 9. And guys, if you can't take away properly, what you could do is to add each one of them number here. You could add it to 38,297, and whichever give you this total, you know that is correct. All right. If you're not very good at subtracting, which you should be good at it. All right. You could have done that also.
Sir, for number 11, I got B.
Oh, okay, we are not there.
We're
Yes,
not
sir.
at
B
number
for number
11.
1.
We're at number 10.
Yeah, but we're at number 10. We have to do it step by step. All right. All right. Yeah, where you go ahead? What you got for number 11 now? It's good that your speed is increasing.
Sir,
now.
D. D as in
D.
dog.
D,
Alright.
sir. D,
So
sir.
it's 67,000. 676,000 rather. Why this not right? Computer can be trouble sometimes.
Sir, I got D.
Alright, well done, well done.
Sir, I got D as well.
It's correct. Alright, so 9. We add in now, right? So 9 and 7 give us 16. 6 carry the 1. 6 and 4, 10. Plus 1, 11. We got the 4 there. 6 and 6, 12. 2 carry 1. And that is 8 and 6. Marlon. Alright, what about the number 12? What's the answer for that? The person that wrote the something in the blue something, you could just rub it off so we can see clearly, please. No disrespect, guys, no disrespect. Let's rub it off so we can see, all right? What you guys got for that one? For the product? Oh, you're working on it. All right, no problem.
Sir, we're at number 12.
Yeah. What you got?
Sir, I got
I got A.
A? Okay.
sir,
What you got?
Sir, we're at number 12.
Here we are. 5,036.
Sir, I got
Sir, I got A.
A.
Sir, I
Okay.
got
sir, I got A as well.
All right. So let's run through it quickly. Everybody finish? Everyone finish? I'm the
Yes,
person
sir.
writing on it. You put your rubber off that, please. It's messing up our work. Yeah. Get rubber off the next one.
Sir, I got A.
Oh, it wasn't you.
Sir,
Because
I'm not finished.
that's all right. Finish it. I want everyone to finish. All right. And then we can proceed. All right, work on it, guys. And then we can proceed. No rush, no
Sir, for
rush.
number 12, I got A.
A. Okay. All right.
Yes, A.
I notice that you guys' speed are increasing. I love this. I love this. Just keep practicing, guys. All right.
Okay.
The reward will come at the end. You know, you have to put in the work, but the reward will eventually come. I know you guys are so tired because you have so many subjects to it, so many classes and all of that, traveling, everything. It's gonna take a toll, but you have to find that drive and that push and that determination to just continue. All right. I'm gonna set it out in the meantime so we can be efficient. Right, so we have 5,036 times 8. So 8 times 6, that's 48. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 0 0, 0 plus 2, 2. And then we say 8 5, 40. Remember, numbers are the numbers. Put a 0 to all this place. 7 6, 42. So we can keep the 4 here. Put down the 2. 7 3 is 21 plus that 25. 7 0 0 plus 2, 2. And then 7 5, 35. So it will be 8. 8 and 2, 10, 0, 1, 8, 2 and 2, this is 8, 9, 5 and 4, 9, so yeah, it is A, good job. Alright, what about 13? What is 9,590 divided by 7?
137.
That is correct.
Sir, 137.
137.
137.
Let's work it out. Now, and if you guys just say the first person will answer that, answer that to you. Alright, so we have 9,590.
Sir, I got the same answer, B.
Yeah.
And I worked it out.
Yeah, man, I know. 1 into that, 70. Your speed have increased a lot, which I'm very grateful for. Right? Carry down the 9. Because it's multiple choice, once you see 17 to this goes 3 times, automatically you'll get the answer, right? Because this is the only one with 3 here. Or we could continue. just to make sure. And then we say 300, 3 sevens, 21. Subtracting, so it would be 9, 4, and we carry down over 0. So now we have 490, right? That would be 7749. So that's 7 times. So it's correct.
Sarah got 137.
Very good. It's correct. It's correct. 14. A shop buys 110 packs. No, a shop buys 110 packs of pens. Each pack contains 36 pens. How many pens is in total?
Sir,
Yeah.
I would divide.
All right. Divide it and tell me what to do.
Sir, 396. 3,960.
Sir B.
B.
Sir B, 3,960.
All right.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
agree.
All right. But there's an easy way we can do it. We can split this 110
Sir D.
into 110, right? Because if we have 100 and we have 10, that is still 110, don't it? So we can multiply this by 36 and that will give us, we just add the zeros. I'm going to show you guys quick ways, top secret, this, guys. We can do it quick. So this will be 360, right? And then we just add this to it. So you see, you can already see the answer. 0, 6, 9, 3.
Repeated addition.
Yeah.
Sir, that's what I did.
All right. What is 935 divided by 34?
Sir, I was already working it out and I got C.
Sir, 27.5. C.
Oh, you guys are working it. So I mean, this 2-1, yeah. All right. That's fine. But I want everyone to work it out. What you got, Luke?
Sir Gabriel.
Oh, no. All right. Yeah, go ahead. What you got, Gabriel?
C.
See. What you got, Luke?
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Kayla got 27.5.
All right. What about the others? What you guys got?
Sir, I agree with her.
Got the same thing. All right.
Sarah got 27.5.
It's correct. It's correct. But I just love when everyone works it out, because each person doing the test for themselves. So we don't want to be depending on others. All of us have to be bright, right? Not just one person or two or three or four, but all 30 persons. All right. So this, we can't get 3 times out of this, right?
Oh, sir, I want to tell you that I got 27.5, sir.
Okay, good job. It's correct. So 2 4s 8, 2 3s 6. Subtracting now, we can't get that, so we borrow 1 from the 9. I'll be borrowing a 1 today, no, guys. This will give us 5 and this 2. Carry down the 5. And this
Sir, excuse me, can I go use the bathroom?
Alright, go on, come back. We are recording it though, so you will get the video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. But we're not gonna move on to 16, so let's indicate when you're back, alright? And then now we multiply 7 times 34. 7 4 is 28. So 32, 7 3 is 21, and that's 22. Subtract 8 from 5, we can't borrow again. So this would leave 7, 3 from that leave 1. So at this point we can put our 0, right? Our point, decimal point, because we run out of numbers. That means decimal point is always right here. It's not kind of on right, but yeah. And then we carry down another 0. So now we can say 34 to this. It's actually go exactly 5 times. 5, 4, 20. 5, 3 is 15, and that's 7. So there we have it. Exactly 27.5. Let me make you guys go and read that one here. A shop has 15 box of chips with 60 packets in each, and 13 box of chips with 36 packets. How many packets of chips is this in total? So work it out, guys, and let me know what it is.
Sir. Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead. I'm
when
hearing.
they say 60 packets in each box, meaning that there's something extra in the box of chips?
What's your interpretation? Suppose I said to you, say, I have 15 boxes, and in each box I have 60 packets. What does that mean to you? Just tell me your interpretation, and then I can give my opinion.
Sir, I didn't hear your example. What did you say?
No, I'm saying the exact same thing. I'm saying you have 15 boxes of anything or whatever, right? And I say in each box you have 60 packets. What is your interpretation of it? What you think it means?
Meaning that there are 15 boxes of chips. Oh, in each box.
Sir, I got D.
D, okay. Yeah, that's your interpretation. In each box there is 60. That's it, that's it.
Sir, D as in dog.
All right, well done. So if notice the word each box. So
Sir, D, I found the answer.
all right,
D.
you have a box, right? And a 60 of them in it. And you have 15 boxes. So yeah. 60 in each box. So it holds 60. All right, so you can multiply 15 by 60. And then we can take it from there. 6, 5, 30. That should be 900. 616. So that for the first one, you get 900. And then it says you have 13 boxes, but this time it holds 36 in each box. So we'd have to multiply again and then add. 6 3 is 18, 8 carry 1, 616, and that's 7. Put a 0 to hold the space. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. And then we add. So this gives us 8, 7, 9, 16, 6 carry 1, and that 465, right? 468, 8. This is 8, sorry. So we add the 468. And that will give us 8, 6, and 13. Yeah, D is correct. Good job.
Sir, I kind of don't understand.
All right, awesome. So a
Sir,
tourist. Repeat.
Sir, I don't understand.
All right, we'll go back up here. Read it again. Tell me what's your understanding of it. Interpret it first, and then we'll guide you. When you read it, what's your interpretation? What you think of it? Because you must be thinking something, right? What do you think?
Sir, I'm back.
Oh, we thought you were back already. Welcome
Sir, I
back.
got D.
Yeah, but the person that said that they don't understand, what's your interpretation on it? But all right, let me just explain it, as you're not responding. All right, so you say you have 15 boxes of something, right? It says chips. Like we say banana chips. So you have 15 boxes, and in each box you have 60 of them in there. Each box means for every one box you have 60. How many would be in those 15 boxes? How many banana chips?
Sir, my answer is B.
Okay. So guys, if you have 15 box, right? And in each box you have 60. How could you find out the total that is in all 15 boxes?
Sir, you would multiply 60 by 15.
Why? Why we multiplying?
Sir, because you're trying
Sir,
to find out
because
how
those
many.
are the,
Sir, because it says 15. Sir, so you do a multiply to find out how many in all.
Yeah. Right? So let's put it this way. For every one box, you're gonna get 60. So how many banana chips would be in 2 boxes? If one of them was 60, how many in 2 boxes? Who can answer that?
sir, repeat.
Sir, 120?
All right, somebody get it. But what I was saying, if each box holds 60, how many would be in 2 boxes? How many chips in all?
Sir, would have to be 120.
All right. So how did we get 120? Multiply.
So you add 60 plus.
Yeah, or you could even add 60 each time. But we know that it's multiplication is repeat addition. So it's much easier for us. To multiply.
Sir, I did multiply 15 by 60 and
Yeah, that is it, right? So in order to get what is in, because guess what? You see, these 15 boxes contain 60 each.
but I didn't get the same answer for some reason.
But look, it also said there are 13 boxes of chips, probably are platinum chips, this one, and 36 all in each box. So what we have to do, find out how many in all in the 15 boxes, and then find out how many in all in the 13 boxes. So that's what we did here. We find the total that would be in each in the 15 boxes if it was 60. And we got 900. And then we work out it for 13 boxes at 36. So we multiply 13 by 30.
Sir, I did multiply 36 by 13. I got 468.
Yeah.
But I didn't get the answer like you get for 15 and 50 times 60.
But remember, I know you want to find how many in all. So when I get the 900, so add this for me. Add the 900 that you got and the 468 that you got. Because you need the total. What does total mean? Everything combined.
Add.
But I didn't get 900.
But we didn't get 900 for the answer.
No, for 15 times 60.
How much you got? When you do it, how much you got, Mila?
Sir, I got like 400 for some reason.
Multiply it over, all right? So that's the problem. Multiply back 15 by 60, including the 400, right? Because if 2 boxes are 120, 3 boxes will be the other next bit, so there'll be 180. So you see, it couldn't be right. And then 4 boxes, you have 240 because it is a multiply. So 5
Oh,
boxes that be 300, you know. 5 boxes.
sir,
that
I
be-
got the answer. I just because I just flipped it differently.
But you have to be careful when with the computation part of it, all right? That can mess you up, guys. So I always say, ensure that you are multiplying correctly, dividing correctly, and all of that. Knowing the principle is fine, but you have to execute correctly. And that comes through practice. The more you practice, the better you become at that. All right? So let's look at 17. A tourist saves $75 a month for 12 months to pay for his holiday. The holiday costs
Answer.
$720. How much does the tourist have left?
D, sir. I did that before. Sir, I just did that a while ago when you were doing
Yeah, because it's on this screen,
16.
right?
I'll
All right,
do
everybody work it out. Tell me when you get. Somebody says B. Let's see if it's B.
it because I was doing it while you were doing
Yeah, man, I
16.
know. That's fine. But I had to explain.
Sir, 180 B.
Okay, all right. All right. So guys, this is straightforward, right? It's $75 a month. Every month just save that, right? So you just multiply 75 by 12. So 2, 5, 10, 0, 30, 1, 2, 2, 2, 7, 14, and 1, 15. So 0, 1, 5, 5, 1, 7, 7. And then we add. So 0, 5, and 5, 10. So that's $900, right? So all we have to do now, you save more than the vacation money. So you just subtract. You can put down that when you come back from vacation. And that will give us 1. Alright, what about 18? So that's 1 8. What about 18? What is 13.275 plus 6.88? Work out that one, guys.
Sir, the answer is
D.
D.
As in dog?
Yes, sir.
Alright, thanks. I'm gonna wait
Yes,
and see what the others say.
Sir, I got the same thing.
Okay.
Sir, D.
D as in dog. Alright, let's go. So it says no, 13.275. So let's write it down. 13.2.
Sir, C.
See you guys? Alright. So we have a little disagreement here. Let's see. Who else want to tell us what they get got? But remember guys, it's decimal point under decimal point.
Sir, the D is the answer.
Did I say
D.
D? Alright, okay, see.
Sir, it's D.
What you say, Amelia?
Sir,
It
it's D. D as in dog.
Okay.
can
Alright, so I'm gonna put
be
a 0 to hold the space. So 0 plus 5, that's 5. 8 and 7, 15. 5 carry 1. 8 and 2, 10. And 1, 11.
11. Put the 1 down.
Yeah, and carry the other one.
Carry
6 and 3,
over
9
the 1.
and 10.
10. 0.
10
Carry the
over
1.
the 1
Make
I'm gonna
2.
say it's B too.
plus 1, 2.
How did you got this for it though? I think you put the how you got this the person that says C.
Sir, maybe mix it up when I didn't put them correctly on the
Decimal
places.
point, yeah. Remember
Yeah.
each decimal point, once you're adding and subtracting, decimal point must be under the decimal point. Alright. Right, 19 crackers cost $1.20. $1.20 a pack. A caterer needs 36 packs. How much would 36 packs cost?
Sir, what is the cost?
$1.20.
Okay, $1.20.
Guys, don't let me know, alright?
Sir, I got my answer.
So the answer is D.
As in Bennett.
D as in dog.
Oh, dog. Okay.
Sir, I'll
Alright.
see.
See you got?
Yes.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Sir, I got C too.
You got C Tara? Alright.
Yes, sir.
And all of you guys double check, right? Just to ensure that the answer that you chose is actually that.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, let's just go through it now. Who's still working? I'll wait on you.
Me.
Okay, alright, we're waiting on you then, alright?
Sir,
Yeah?
I got C.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, my answer is C. I change it to C.
Okay, welcome. Alright,
Sir, I got C, sir.
alright, let's work it out. So all we have to do, guys, is just simply, if one pack costs this and we could get 36 packs, just multiply it by 36, right? So we can change it from temporarily to a whole number. We will now have no decimal. Multiply 36 by 20 by 120. 600, 6 2 12, we carry 1. 616, 720. You know, multiplying by 30, so we put a 0 to all the space. 300, 326, 313. Now we just add.
Sir, I get C.
C.
Sir, I got C a long time.
Awesome. All right, so 7, 6, 13, and that 4. But remember, we had 2 decimal places, so we put the decimal place. It is C. Good job. Right, let's look at number 20. What is 8.45 divided by 18? Work out that one, guys.
Sir, the answer is B.
All right.
Sir, B as in boy.
Okay. The
Sir, I
others,
got my answer.
what you got?
Sir, I got me.
Sir, I got B2.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I got B as my answer.
All right, thanks.
Sir, B as in boy.
Okay, all right. Why this person don't have their name? Guys, whenever you're joining, please join with your name, all right?
Okay.
Sir, I got number 21, but when I reach here, I'll tell you it.
All right. So we have 78.
Sir, I got my answer.
What you got?
B as in boy.
Everybody got B, so it should be correct, right? All right, so 15 into 7, we can't. So there we say 15 into 78, that's 5 times. 5 times that, 75. We subtract, we get 3, right? For our decimal point, and the decimal point, carry down the 4. And then we say 15 into 34, that goes 2 times. I think from there we can know it's this, right? 2 times that, 30. Subtract, we get 4. Carry down the 5.
Sir, I get B.
Yeah, it's correct. Well done. All right. Tara was saying that she got this already. 12 eggs cost $3.96.
No, sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. What is the answer?
Sir, the answer is C.
That
Sir,
is-
the
Got to
answer is C.
divide
that is correct.
3.96 by 12 because 12 eggs is a dozen.
Yeah. Because it's 12 eggs, we need to find out what's for 1, right? So this is 0, and then 12 into this goes 3 times. And then we have 36. So we subtract, we get 3. Minus the 0, right? Carry down the 6. 3 into 30. 12 into 36.
6.
Wouldn't it be 3 though? So yeah, that's
Yes,
correct.
sir. Because 12 times 3 is 36.
36. Yeah. All right, 22 now.
22.
Solve
There will be C. For 21.
90.7 times 10 divided by 100.
Sir, 29.
29.
Yes.
Because we're gonna move the decimal place, 1 place to our right. That's what we divide. Well, we multiply rather. So we get 2907. But when we divide it by 100, we just move the decimal place 2 times. So right here, 1, 2. So that's 2.
That's what I
We
did.
make 2 jumps
Yeah, very good.
to the right.
Sir, the answer is B for me.
Very good. It's correct. A customer buys 6 bottles of water at 0.47 each and 3 spice bun at $1.31 each. What is the total cost? So how much for the 6 bottles of water and the 3 bun? But them dry now, guys. That's why them buy so much water.
Sir, we're still working on 22.
Okay, okay. All right. Well, on 22, you see that 22?
No, I was still working
Okay,
on
okay.
22.
Remember, we're just moving the decimal point. When you multiply by 100 or 10, you move it, the number of places by the number of zeros.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and when you divide, you move the decimal point to your left. So all of those things are very relevant
So
for
when
us.
we're dividing, we move it to the right, and when we're multiplying, we move it to the left.
Yeah. When you're multiplying, you move to your right. And when you're dividing, you move to your left.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Sir, I got B.
B as in back. All right. So waiting on the others.
Search number 23, right?
Yeah, man, 23. And then we move to 24.
B.
Sir, I got B.
All right. So we multiply. I believe you guys, you guys are awesome. All right. So we multiply by 6.
I can't figure it.
6, 7, 42. 6, 4 is 24, and that 28. So we carry it 2. So that's 2.82, right? That's the total cost for the water. So water get there, guys, and then 131 times 3. 3 ones 3, 3 3s 9, and 3 ones 3. So we need to add these. Because this is the bone.
Sir, I got B.
Correct. 9 and 8, 17. So that's $6.75. Very good.
Sir, I didn't understand at first, but I understand now. It's like one of the other questions.
Awesome. That is correct. All right. What is a quarter of 4,096?
Sir, I said I didn't understand, but I understand now.
D. D as in dog, sir, for 24.
Oh, you finished it already? Awesome. So once it's a quarter, it's like we're dividing by 4, right? What's a quarter as a percentage?
25%. 25%.
Very good.
25%.
Yeah, you guys must join the quiz team when you go to whatever high school. All right, so we say 4 into this goes 1 time, 4 ones 4.
Sir, I got
Ready,
my
young?
answer.
You got that also? What you got?
Sir, I got D.
Yeah, I did dog.
Sir, I got D. All I did was D.
Okay, awesome, awesome job. So 4 into 9, that goes 2 times, and then 2 4 is 8, so we're gonna subtract
Sir, I got D as in dog.
Very good. That is correct.
D.
Sir, I got D.
Yes, Parks. Well done. And
Sir,
good.
D the other way.
Got D.
Awesome. Right? So that's D. Right. Let's move on to 25. You guys are awesome. Every week we say that.
Sir, just make it know the answers now.
All right. 25 says, which of these fractions have the same value? Which of these fractions have the same value?
C.
C.
A quarter and 4/8.
A, sir, A.
You say A, you change it. Anybody
No.
else? So we hearing A or we hearing C?
Yes, sir, it's A.
A? All right. So what you do, guys? What you got to do?
Sir, I got A.
Oh, Sarah got A. Oh, Miller, what Miller said? A. Somebody fell off. We lost someone. All right, let's look at it. So, guys, you definitely have to inspect each answer given, break them down to its lowest term, and to which of them is equivalent. So, this is actually equivalent fractions. You see that? All right, so let's go. So, it would have been the breakdown 3/6, that is a half. This one is easy, man. And then 4/8 is also a half. So, it's A. So, we didn't have to go any further. All right, 26. Solve 1.5 plus 7/10 plus 3/100. What about that one there?
Sir, how many questions on this paper?
60. But it's a 2-hour paper.
Sir, that means that we're going to end 7 o'clock, I think.
We're gonna end 7.
Well, actually, now I'm going to finish it today, though.
Sir, what time is class finishes?
We're supposed to finish 6,
It's
but we're
over
not
at
going to
6
finish 6.
o'clock.
We're gonna go up to at least halfway. So we're gonna go up to 30 at least. Because I don't want to rush the paper or anything.
6:30, sir.
No, we're going up to 30 questions. Let us focus on the questions and not the time.
Okay.
Yeah. As you know, sometimes the energy is there, so we can go. I'm not so well doing it, guys, so I fight and so much out class, and God has been good to me. I have all my classes today.
Sure.
Yeah. At the first session, then the second, and the third. All right, what you guys got for 26? Anyone finish?
Sir, I got A.
All right, so one person got
Sir, I got A.
Sir, I got A.
all right. Anybody got a different answer?
Sir, I think it's either C or D because
No, but you
I
should
think
know. Work it
sir, I
out.
would,
Come on,
sir,
work it
D,
out.
sir.
We have to choose one. Work it out, guys. Come on. We're better than that, man. We don't guess multiple choice. That's what we know how to do it. All of us know to add fraction, subtract, divide, multiply fraction. So we do the right thing at all times, right?
Yes, sir, the right is A. Because I was still looking at it and I saw how they got their answer.
No, but you should work it out for yourself.
Sir, I would disagree.
All right. What would you say?
Repeat,
What you got? You disagree with them?
sir, D.
D. 2.5. All right. I want some more answers, man. Come on. I think it's only 6 persons answer. Some persons left. I think they have an next class. Now let's work it out, guys. One thing, you guys are not we don't guess, right? We know what we're supposed to do, so we do what we're supposed to. All right. So what we're gonna do now is to say, all right. All right. So we can consider. We could leave off the 1 here first. We could add the fraction. So we have a half plus 7/10. What does the rule state when we are adding fractions? Let's bring them to a common denominator, right? What's the lowest number that 2, 10, and 100 can go into without a remainder?
5.
5.
Fine.
2, sir. 2, sir.
All right. 10 into 2.
100.
100. That is it. Because 2 cannot, 100 cannot go into 2. So the LCM would have been 100. And then we said 2 into 100.
50 times.
50. So we multiply by 50. And then 10 into 100. How many groups of 10 we can get out of 100?
10 times.
10 times. And then we say 7 times 10, 70. Plus 100 into itself.
1 time.
1 time.
One
Right?
time.
So now we add all of this. So 50 plus 70 plus 3, what is that equal?
123.
123. Very good. But remember, we already have a 1, right? So
Sir, I changed my answer to C, sir.
So
you should have double check already, right?
So
Always do the right thing. Always double check. So this into this would go 1 time and 23/100. But then we'd add the 1 again. So 1 and 1 is 2. So it is 2 and 23/100. Guys, remember the rule. When we add and subtract, we must bring them to a common denominator. The lowest number that each one of them. All right, I'm going to give you 27 to redeem yourself. 9/10 minus a half. What's the answer for that?
Sir,
Come on, go ahead.
sir, I don't
Sir,
happy tomorrow. School tomorrow.
Repeat.
Sir, I'm not happy tomorrow is school.
Oh, no, man, you should be happy, man. More,
Sir, I got
it's an
A.
opportunity to learn more, right? So don't think
Sir,
of
I
it as
got
a
A.
Okay,
Sir,
B,
sir, I got A.
A, 1/1, 8/8,
Yes,
8/8.
8/8.
yes, sir.
Oh, you got that.
9 minus 1, 8. 10 minus 2, 8.
Cannot work, so.
Why can't work like that, Tyra?
Sir,
Tell me.
there's not the Sir, correct answer because there. They are not the same. Because it's not like one take away one. It cannot work like that. It could not be 8/8.
How it work then? Tell us.
You have to make the denominators like.
Yeah, so you have to make. Oh, sure,
All
this
right.
one.
So go ahead and do it then and tell me.
So the answer is not there.
Really?
Yeah,
What you got? What you got?
let's see. 7/10.
7/10? Hmm?
Sir,
What you got?
got.
What you got, Tara? Tara say you can't work at home. You cannot
Sir,
just...
I'm not finished working it out.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm waiting on you guys to finish. All right.
Sir, the answer is not there.
Sir,
Yeah, man.
you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
I got C.
2/5?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, never mind, I got C.
Got C also.
Sir, I got C.
Okay, Tara. Thanks. What about the others? Still say 8/8?
Sir, I just finished up my workout and I got C as well.
You got C also. Guys,
Sir, I got C.
we just said it a while ago, right? Once you're adding and subtracting, as Tara said, we must bring them to a common denominator. So we have to do that. Now, what's the lowest number that 2 and 10 can go into? What's the LCM?
The LCM is 10, sir.
10.
All right, so 10 into 10.
Sir,
1 time.
And then you say 9.
1 time, sir.
Yeah. 2 into 10.
5 times.
5 times.
Yeah. So we multiply 1 by 5. So we get 9 minus 5, which is 4/10. And then we break it down. But the answer is not there. So we break it down, divide both of them by what number?
You divide it by 2.
So
I'm
that
going
will
to
give
get
us
2/5.
2/5. So it is C.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, sir, I saw how I made the mistake.
Yeah, man. You have to remember the rule, guys. Don't get excited. Just follow the rules at all times. All right, what about this one? What is the value of 7/10 minus 3/5 plus a half? What's the value for that?
Sir, can you scroll down so I can see the answers?
The answers are there. We're doing 28, you know. What you got?
Sir, can I scroll up for something, please, to 27, please?
Give me something. All right.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer is 3, 6.
That's 27. That's one that we just did.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Can I scroll back down?
All right.
Sir, then
So we're at 28.
sir, 3/5 because I break it down.
What you got? What you got? 3/5, eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
Sir, I got A.
A?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go through it.
Sir, A.
All right, so first thing, what's the first thing we have to do?
Sir, find the
Like denominators are LCM.
Yeah.
the LCM is the lowest common multiple.
Yeah. We could do it in one, right? Because addition and subtraction, but we have to just find the LCM for all three. What's the LCM for 10, 5, and 2?
10, sir.
10. Very good. 10 into 10, one time, you multiply by that, gives us 7. Now, careful of the sign though, alright? 5 into 10, oh Lord, 5 into 10 goes 2 times. So we're gonna multiply 3 by 2, and that gives us 6. Put back our plus now. 2 into 10 goes 5 times. 1 times 5, that is 5.
Sir, it's A.
Yeah.
Sir, it's A.
Minus
That's
3
accurate.
A.
1, 1 plus 5,
Correct.
6 over 10. And then you break it down, so it's 3/5. You divide both sides
Sir,
by,
got that.
yeah.
Sir, A.
They divided 2.
All right, 29. Yeah, man, you're correct. There are 50 appointments booked. 20 of the appointments are children. What percentage of the appointments are for children?
Okay.
There are 50 appointments booked. 20 of the appointments are for children. What percentage of the appointments are for children?
Sir, 40.
So I just came back because of
Okay, welcome back. Welcome back.
Sir, 40%.
You got 40.
Yes, sir.
What about the others?
Sir, 40%, sir. 40% more.
Sir, 40%.
40.
Sir, 40%.
Oh, you get the 40. Somebody just enlighten me.
So because if
All
you
right, sir. Here's what you have to do.
40%.
Remember, sir,
Wow,
it's 20
wow.
sir, it's 20 apartments out of 50 apartments, so it's 20 over 50. And they can just bring that down to 2/5. And what I was taught to do, when I get something like that, you would divide the numerator by the denominator. Am I saying that right? You divide the 5 by the 2. And in order to do that, you have to put 2.0. Just put a 0.0 there. That right there is just going to be the same thing as 20, but you want to put a decimal point before you start. So 2 goes into 20 4 times. 4 times 2, oh, wait, no. No, sir, 5 over 20. 5 goes in 4 times, that's 20. And then what you want to do is 20 take 20, 0, 0 goes in it 0 times, so I put the 0 there. So you're going to get 40 and 20. And when you do that, you're going to get this, you're going to get the 40%. So it's going to be 40%.
All right. Anyone can have a different method, can share with us. Anyone have a different method?
Yes, sir.
How you work it out? Share with us.
Sir, I have a different method, or you could just say 2 over 5 times 100. 5 goes into 100. 5 goes into 120 times. So you just cancel it out, and you would get the 40%.
Because why 100?
Because in order to find the percentage of any number, you have to multiply it by 100. You have to turn it into 100.
Sir, because you're
Yes, sir.
finding out of 100%.
Yeah. So it's 20 out of 50. So it's the same as 2/5. And we have done those conversion of fraction to percentage. We also looked at percentage to decimal and decimal to fraction. So I'm not worried, as I said, guys. You guys just have to go and execute. All right, a student.
So the answer for number 30 is D.
D. A student received 8 marks out of 10 in a test. What is this expressed as a percentage?
Yes, sir. The answer
D, sir, D.
is D.
Yeah, very good.
Because if you had 80 out of 100, it would be 80%. It's just that to break it down.
Yeah, that's correct. All right. So
Right.
80 times 10, 8 times 10 gives us 80%. Good job. Next one. What is 20% of 160 kilograms? 20% of 160 kilograms.
Sir, it's C, 32 kilograms.
Okay. Anybody have a different answer?
No, sir. I have the same answer. Same answer for me.
Sir, it's C.
Oh, you got it though. Oh, we got C.
Sir, here's what to do. A percentage means out of 100. So 20% means 20 out of 100. And I was learned that in mathematics, when you get the word off means to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 20 over 100 times 160. And I can always say 160 over 1 to make it easier. So which would just be 100 over 3,000. When you multiply 20 by 160, you get 3,200. You want to then divide that 3,200 by 100 to get what is the percentage, which would just cross out the 2 zeros and we get 32.
All right. Well done. All right. 32. A shop offers a discount of 5% on an item as an ordinary price of tag of 140. How much will the discount be? So it offers a discount of 5% the item tag, an item has an original price tag of $40. How much would the discount? How much will the discount be? Work out that one.
Sir, it's A, sir. So it's A. It's A, sir.
Sir, it's D.
D?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're hearing A and we're hearing D. Which is it?
Sir, it's A.
It's
All right. But person
A.
said D have to, you have to give each person an opportunity. Oh, you get A.
Subtract.
A, sir.
just
What do you say, sir?
Well, I'm asking my
He
students.
said how you got A.
Oh, I didn't get A. Our students got A, not me.
Oh, sir. How I did all the same. 5 over 100 times 40 over 1. Which is just 200 over 100. You just divide that and you get 2 over 100.
Okay.
That's how we get $2.
so you could then multiply.
But I think the other person was thinking of 5% off. That's how I think they would get D.
Yeah. Because they want to give the discount, right? So you have to find 5% of 40. Especially for the females, they have to know to do this because they love shop.
You don't love shop, sure.
Especially when things are on discount, right? So you have to can calculate your discount. So
Sir, me don't love shop.
okay. As I say, 5 times 40 give us 200, and then we divide by 100. So that's $2.
Two.
Yeah. All right. Which of the following has the highest value? 4 out of 5, 4%, 0.4, or a quarter?
Sir, I didn't get it.
33. Which of the following has the highest value? That one is talking.
I didn't get it.
A
Which?
5.
Which you didn't get?
Sir, I don't understand number 32.
4 out of 5.
Sir, it's 4 out of 5.
Hold on
Number
again.
32.
Sir,
Hold on.
because
Wait,
4% is like
hold on, Khalil. All we did was find 5% of $40. If you're finding a percentage of a number, what would that be? Would it be 5 out of 100 since percent means 100 times the number? And then, because it's 40, as she says, we multiply 5 times 20, which gives us 200, and then we divide 200 by 100, which gives us 2. It's the same thing that we had done to find 20% of 160.
What are you saying?
Follow now?
Yes, sir.
All right, somebody was saying something. Which of the following has the highest value?
Four out of 5.
A.
Why 4 out of 5?
4 out of 5. Sir, because 0.4 is not yet a whole.
Yeah.
One
One.
is a quarter. So you could have 1 and it could be 0.25.
So what's 4/5? What's 4/5 do? You tell me what those are not. What's 4 as a percentage or as a decimal?
Sir, 4 out of 5 as a percentage is 80%.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's correct, you know, it's correct. But I just want to see the reason. All right, 34. What is 2/5 as a decimal fraction?
2.5.
All right, thanks. Everybody agree that it's B?
2.5.
Sir, 0.4.
Huh?
I mean, huh?
Yes, sir. 0.4. 0.4.
All right,
C,
let
sir.
us hear
C
from
as
the
a
2.5 first. The person that says 2.5. Oh, you got it.
Explaining now. Explaining now. Sure. Yeah, explaining that immutable.
I feel like it's D.
D? Oh,
Yes.
there's a specific way that we do it, right? Remember, someone was talking about this earlier. When we have the fraction, we just divide. You're supposed to be here, sorry.
Sir.
We divide by 5. 5 into 2, the same exact thing she was explaining earlier. 5 into 2 goes 0 times, put your point, 5 into 20, 4 times. So you divide 2 by 5, so it's 0.4.
I told you.
Alright.
What about 35? What is 9 over 100 as a decimal fraction?
0.9. 0.9, sir. 0.9. B.
Sir,
B.
sir,
Hold on, guys,
0.09.
calm down, no confusion.
Sir, 0.09.
Wait, guys, wait.
Sir, the reason why it wouldn't be B because if it was 0.09,
No, sir. If it was B, it would be
90%.
90%. So it's A, sir. Sir, it's A, sir. It's A.
Guys,
It's
we're
A,
not
sir.
quarreling, though. Yeah, man, we're not quarreling. Those who say A, oh, you got A. Somebody
Sir, I was the only one saying A.
I was the one who said A too.
Guys,
Sir,
it's
the
fine. We're
answer
not
is
quarreling over it, guys. Come on, we're all
really
here to
answer.
learn.
Sir,
Not to
while
quarrel.
everybody else say B and me wanna
It's
say A, sir.
Is A because it says
Because there are
Somebody
two
just
9
explain.
over 100.
All right, sir. Let me explain how it's A. You
Yeah.
know how to find the decimal fraction into a decimal percentage is simple. 0.9. We just have to multiply 0.9 by 100, move it 2 decimal spaces, and we get 90, which is the same thing as 90%. If we do the same with 0.09, we get 9 as a whole, or 9.0, which would be the same as 9%.
Listen.
All right. What if we do this? Would this be incorrect? Since we are dividing by 1,000, by 100, we know that the decimal point is here. And when we are dividing by 1,000, 10, 100, we just move the decimal place, the number of places. So you have 2 zeros, so we're gonna move 1. Since you have to move another time, we put another 0. So this will be 1, 2. So it's 0.09. Guys, we're not here to quarrel or fuss, all right? We're here to learn and to prepare for the dreaded exam. Right, Colin?
I'm not getting this on my exam.
So it will be 0.09. All right, 36.
So we're going up to 40.
Kara, as I say, we're just going with the flow. 36, a post on a social media had 126,363 likes. Round this number to the nearest 1,000. Everybody loves social media. See them put social media question here now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's A, sir. Sir, it's A.
1,000.
It's A, sir.
Why A and not?
Well, if you're going to round it to the nearest thousand and to the nearest anything, you have to look to the number next to it. If it's 5 and up, you round it up. It is 4 or less, you round down. If we look at the thousands place, we see about 6. And if we look to the number next to it, there's a 3. It's not 5 or more, so we're not going to round it up. It's 4 or less. So we're going to round it down, which is going to make it's going to be 126,000. I will just replace it with all zeros.
Very good.
Why you
So
said
the
that?
nearest thousand would either be 126 or 127, right? Because this is children. Sorry, we don't reach 500. Sorry about that, guys. We don't reach 500, so we simply round down. So that's 126.
If you come on.
The way you guys love social media, they start make social media question. A company received $3,291.77 for sales in 1 week. Round the amount to the nearest whole number.
So which number are we going on to?
Sir, it would be D, sir. It would be D.
Is D.
It's D.
Is D because 7 is telling us to round up.
Yeah, I agree. It could be D because they said nearest number.
Who keeps marking up on the screen like that?
Is Caleb Wuggly?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
You want me to call you back when but yeah man, I am. Well, not no. I'm actually in my Zoom class. All right, I will. Thank you so much for calling.
Sir,
Yeah,
which number are we going up to?
guys, are you getting tired? Okay, let's go with the flow. Make us stop at 40. We can stop at 40.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Onya's getting tired.
Yeah. Because you work guys are doing so well, I just let us stop. All right, 38. 112. I'm mute that person because we keep hearing myself. 112.399 written correct to 1 decimal place is.
Sir, I don't understand.
It's A. It's A, sir. It's A.
1 decimal place means it should be
Sir, I
one
don't understand the
number
first
that comes after the decimal point.
It's C, sir.
Somebody might have feedback. I think you have 2 devices, so that's why. All right, let me just explain.
Oh, yeah, question 38.
1 decimal place means that only one number must come after the decimal point. So what
Sir,
you do, you want to, if you're calling?
Sir, I got C because 399 is basically 400 if around the top, sir.
All right. So guys, it's correct. What you do, we check, notice it said to 1 decimal place. So what we do, we want to have 1 decimal place. However, we have to check the second number to its right. The first number to its right, if that is 5 and over, we add 1 to this. So that's how we got the 4. So it would be C. You're gonna get an opportunity.
Oh, okay, sir.
So may I get paid to see that quickly when I see. You're gonna get a next opportunity. 34.772 written correct to 2 decimal places is. So you get a next opportunity.
B, sir.
B,
B, sir.
B, sir.
B or D? Bat or cat?
B, sir. But
Bat.
Box, all right.
B as in book.
I agree, because guess what? We check the third number. Since it's two decimal places, guys, this is what they get in C-Sec, you know. So we check the third number. If it's less than 5, we drop it. So it would be this. The last one for today. I know we went over one.
Sir, it's C for 40, sir. It's C for 40.
I can't see.
sir, not even seen
You
40.
can't see C yet, so you know see.
Sir, because I can see the 10. I can see the little 10.
Okay, okay. All right, so on a map, 10 centimeter represent 20 kilometer
20.
rather. 5 centimeter represent
C, sir.
C, sir.
yeah. So look,
C,
every
C, 5 centimeters represent 10 km.
yeah. Why may I put 50? So this will be 20 kilometers. So 1 centimeter, well, 1 centimeter represent, right? So we divide this by 10, which gives us 1 centimeter is gonna represent 2 kilometers. So to find out for 5, we simply say 5 times 2. What a way to end the class. You guys did super awesome. As usual. So it is C. All right, guys, so we're gonna end for today. You guys, if you wish, I can put it up on YouTube. Others have requested that. Or I can just send it to you privately if you want. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Take
sir.
care. See you guys soon, all right?
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
You guys are awesome. Just
sir.
enjoy the class. Someone was saying that they don't want to go to school. Please go to school and learn, all right? You get a
Sure.
long holiday, guys. I can't believe you're complaining.
Bye, Mr. Lennox.
Bye. Take care.
Bye,
Don't
sir.
wait till
Bye.
exam, then
Bye,
relax
sir.
myself.
Hope you have a great
Bye,
night.
Mila. Bye, Amelia. Bye, Bogu. Bye, Parks.
Bye, sir.
Tyra, they gone. Tavoy, big
Bye.
up Sakina, Joshua. Yeah, big up, guys. Take care. All right.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. And look out
You
for me to post videos. All right. I'm always
Oh,
posting.
sir.
Okay, sir.
All
Okay,
right.
Good, sir.
All right. So see you guys soon. All right.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care.